Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to do 1.5 word spacing. Let's open the Word file. After this, select the desired text. Now click on line and paragraph spacing and there choose 1,5. You will see the change automatically. As an extra method, you can select the text. Now click on line and paragraph spacing and then open line spacing options. Here in the spacing section, in line spacing, choose the option 1.5 lines. Click OK to see the change in the text. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.